Hello everyone, my name is Eunice Moon and I'm a 7th grade student attending Beverly Vista Middle School in the United States. And the ability to call up 3D shapes in your mind and reason with these images is important for developing spatial awareness. It helps you connect logical left brain with visual right brain and gets the two sides working together. It is observed that this concept affects us in the most basic details in our lives. As not everything is easy and understandable, understanding 3D shapes out of 2D nets is no exception. Origami, which is paper folding, is an effective tool when identifying visual 2D information to developing 3D shapes. Today, I have 3 different practices prepared, starting with a simple cube, then a tetrahedron, and lastly, a complex cube made of different shapes. Let's begin. Step 1. Fold and unfold on the left. Step 2. Get bottom corner and fold to the middle line. Same thing on the top. Step 4. Fold bottom side to the middle. Step 5. Unfold. Step 6. Get left side and fold to the right side. Step 7. Get both sides and fold to the middle. Step 8. Fold along a partially hidden crease. Step 9. Unfold. Step 10. Fold and along the bottom corners. Unfold. Turn the paper over. Step 11. Fold top corner to the bottom corner and unfold. Rotate the paper 90 degrees. Step 12. Repeat step 11 3 more times. Step 13. Note the orientation of the vertical crease by the bottom. Fold and unfold. Step 14. Puff out the center as the model becomes 3D. Step 15. Puff out in the center and flatten inside. Step 16. Flatten the inside paper. Repeat step 15 2 more times. Step 17. Fold and unfold. Step 18. Interlock the 3 tabs to close and lock the model. Step 19. This is a finished model of the cube. Tetrahedron. Step 1. Fold and unfold on the top and bottom. Step 2. Bring left corner to the middle vertical line. Step 3. Unfold. Step 4. Bring top left corner to the middle vertical line. Step 5. Fold along the crease. Step 6. Unfold. Step 7. Fold along the crease. Step 8. Get top right corner and fold to the crease. Step 9. Fold along the creases. Step 10. Unfold. Step 11. Fold right corner to the center. Step 12. Fold left side to the center. Step 13. Unfold. Step 14. Refold and tuck the tab inside. Step 15. This is a finished model of a tetrahedron. Step 1. Fold a rectangle on both sides. Step 2. Generate creases by folding all corners to the center. Step 3. Unfold. Step 4. Fold center line to the left line. Step 5. Tuck in all corners to the center. Step 6. This is a finished model of the triangle connector. Next, we will be making the rectangle connector. Step 1. Fold triangles on both sides. Step 2. Generate creases by folding all corners to the center. Step 3. Unfold. Step 4. Get bottom corner and fold to the line on the other side. Step 5. Repeat on all the other sides. Step 6. Fold vertical corners inward and horizontal corners outward. Step 7. Fold vertical corners inward again. Step 8. Flip the paper and fold horizontal corners inward. Step 9. Flip the paper and fold the vertical corners inwards. Step 10. Fold horizontal sides inwards. Step 11. Tuck in one side into the other. This is a finished rectangle connector. These are 8 prepared triangle connectors. These are 12 prepared rectangle connectors. Tuck inside the rectangle connector. This is now the base of a cube. We are now going to develop the cube by adding the rectangle connectors. This is now a finished model of the complex cube. When you learn to use 3D shapes, you also learn to think logical. When thinking logically, many different problems can be erased and simple solutions can be found. It helps us understand specific phenomena and in uplifting the quality of life. Thank you for letting me share the importance of 3D shapes, and I hope to see you again.